Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll walk you through the methods of marking an item as a sample while billing in Logic ERP. Let's proceed with generating a sales bill. The first method to issue an item as a sample is by entering 0 in the sale rate field. This action will open a drop-down list where you can choose to mark the item as free, replacement, or sample. To enable this drop-down, ensure that the Allow Free Replacement option is enabled in the sale voucher configuration for the relevant series. Let's simply select Sample from the list and continue with the transaction. As shown, the item has been transacted as a sample. This method is generally applied when issuing free promotional or sample stock. In such cases, the ERP records only the quantity movement, while no monetary value is recorded. Let's explore the second method of marking an item as a sample. Simply transact an item and then press F3 in the rate column. The item will be flagged in red, indicating it is a sample. This method is also used for issuing free promotional or sample stock where the company wants to track both the quantity and its corresponding value. The ERP records the issued quantity, calculates the amount, adjusts the value in the scheme unit field, thereby retaining the value reference for accurate reporting and analysis. After saving the bill, let's also have a glimpse of its sales report. In the first entry, the system records only the stock movement without creating any financial entry for the samples. In the second entry, both the stock movement and the monetary value of the samples are captured, enabling analysis for purposes such as marketing cost evaluation, MRP validation, and sales comparisons.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.